meron daw prenuptial agreement na prenupose ka, Francis. Totoo ba yan?
That's correct.
Ano yun? At saka bakit? Bakit? Why did you offer that prenuptial agreement?
Well, yung prenuptial agreement kasi, ano yan legal contract yan. No? It's yung separation of properties. Ang ano ko lang dyan, well, I'm a lawyer. And if I had a client, given the same situation, I would have advised my client to do the same thing.
I see.
Para, well, I'm not...
Makita na malinis din naman yung mga intensyon.
And that's one, no? I'm not interested in
whatever she
has, no? That's
You're
hers.
interested in her.
yung kung ano yung kinita niya, kung ano yung pinaghirapan niya, sa kanya yun, she will spend that how she wishes to, and I will not interfere. And like I said earlier, ganun nga, no? I think it would be magandang ano yun magandang pagkakataon na magkaroon ng liwanag dun sa usapin nung... Minsan kasi tayo mga Pilipino, wag na lang natin pag-usapan, yung magkakahiyaan, yung itago na lang yan, but...
It's a very important matter.
Something that's very important.
Sa
Like on day one, step one, baliwanag, black and white.
Tsaka he really said, you know what, I'd like you to sign ang ganyan-ganyan. Actually, to my favor nga Kasi, so lalo naman ako na-inlove sa kanya kasi nakita ko sincere yung intention.
Lalo, ano ba yan? Tinatanong ko isa, ano ba yan? Talaga bang, bakit sinasabi nila love is lovelier the second time around? Totoo ba yan?
Kasi I was very young first time. Kala mo, alam mo na lahat.
Alam mo, love ka na talagang tuloy yan.
Pero it's not all love kasi. You have to get along all the time. Kami, wala kaming ginawa niya kundi magkwentuhan. You know, he comes across as someone who's very serious. And that's syempre, that's what his family sees. I mean, what we see, the family sees, is not what everybody sees. He's actually very jolly. Corny nga yan
Corny, ha?
Tawa kami ng tawa. Tapos we get along. We're very good friends. We're buddies. So, yun, parang yung love, tsaka I think it's very important na pareho kaming values, pareho kaming beliefs. Ang aming idea about family is the same.
So, pwede na rin yan din ang answer, no? Doon sa mga nagtatanong na, well, yung sinasabi nga natin, aside from love, no? Yung mga nagtatanong na, naku, si Sharon, she has everything, why marry?
No, I don't have everything. I didn't have everything until...
Yun ang hindi nila alam, ayan, di ba? Yan nila tinatanong yan.
Kasi 12 anyos pa lang ako, nagtatrabaho na ako. So, syempre, kahit sinong kaedad ko, kay babae ka lalaki, na hindi naman naging artista, ilan lang naman siguro kaming parang na-blessed in that department. Kasi maaga kami nagsimula. Kami yung mga exception, hindi kami yung rule. So, parang kahit sino sigurong pinakasalan ko, mapapansin yon. Nakaedad ko, no? Mapapansin yon. Yung siguro it's